A very good evening to all the Design Television viewers here and across the globe. He's a man who started off as a comic actor, moved on to teaching the art of acting, and has extensively worked not only in numerous movies but also television. And yes, I'm talking about this actor. He can make you laugh, he can make you cry too at the same time. And he's none other than versatile actor Kawaljeet Paintal, fondly known as Paintal. Namaskar and welcome. Welcome to Toronto.
Namaskar. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mickey.
So, you are the living legend when it comes to acting. Of course, we'll be discussing your dancing, and which not very many people know about that you have been trained as a classical dancer as well. Tell us about your journey. It's it's all here. Tell us how it started and how did the legacy got into you and what brought you to Indian cinema.
मिकी बेसिकली आई वाज वो कहते हैं ना कि मैं बचपन से ही एक्टर बनना चाहता था टू क्वाइट एन एक्सटेंट मेरे लिए वो दैट्स प्रिटी ट्रू बिकॉज व्हेन आई वाज वेरी यंग इन द स्कूल टाइम्स आई यूज्ड टू डू लॉट ऑफ फैंसी ड्रेस शोज एंड somehow or the other keep people entertaining. It used to give me a lot of pleasure. And my father was working in film industry, Indian film industry in Lahore before the partition. So
Okay.
he was a cameraman.
Mm-hmm.
And after the partition, we came to India. I mean, jo Hindustan ban gaya tha from Lahore. And my father tried to work in the film industry in Bombay, but the person who gave him the chance, Mr. Pancholi, unfortunately died. तो उसकी वजह से उनका जो कैमरामैन का करियर था वो ऑलमोस्ट फिनिश हो गया सो वी माइग्रेटेड टू दिल्ली वेयर ही ओपनड अप अ फोटोग्राफिक शॉप एंड लेकिन वो एक शौक एक जो एक व्हाट यू से
कीड़ा
एक
होता है जो
कलाकार के बीच में कीड़ा जो ठरक होता है कीड़ा होता है वो मेरे फादर में था बट वी वर फाइनेंशियली नॉट वेल ऑफ एट ऑल तो somehow he managed to buy an 8 mm कैमरा उन दिनों 35 mm होता था 16 mm होता था और 8 mm होम मूवीज के लिए होता था there was no these videos or nothing of that sort तो उन्होंने वो 5-5 मिनट की जो रील मंगाते थे I was the only model he had because my elder brother Goofy had already gone to Tata Nagar Jamshedpur for his technical training he's a mechanical engineer तो फादर को मैं ही मिलता था तो मैं क्या करता था आई यूज टू कंसीव बिकॉज दिस 8 mm यूज टू बी विदाउट साउंड तो कंसीव थिंग्स विच वाज साइलेंट डिफरेंट स्किट्स इंटरेस्टिंग स्किट्स और वी यूज टू शूट एंड वो जब प्रिंट होके आता था तो वी यूज टू सी तो वहां से when he saw my involvement in stage in doing mimicry and all these things so he was the one who suggested कि बेटा I know you want to be an actor and I think you have that X factor so why don't you try और try करने से ये होगा कि you may और अगर नहीं कुछ होता भगवान ना करे अगर तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं होता तो I am there to support you don't worry so he said but go through proper channels so I applied for FTII Film Institute of India Pune but those days it was Film Institute of Pune FII not FTII television इतना पॉपुलर नहीं था शुरू ही हुआ था in the beginning stages तो वहां पर मेरी जब एंट्री हुई तो एक बड़ा अच्छा मेरा इमोशनल किस्सा है विद माय फादर आई वाज नॉट गुड एट ऑल इन द स्टडीज मन नहीं लगता था तो एक दो बार फेल भी हुए तो माय फादर when I was in the train leaving for Bombay from Delhi so at the platform my father said see son you didn't do well at all in your this academic studies and now you're going to the line where you really want to तो मुझे बेटा कुछ ऐसा करके दिखा दे कि we have taken the right decision show me that you can do it Now that sentence, Mickey, changed my attitude to the life.
Okay.
Suddenly,
It was like
एक
a
होता ना
challenge or
एक,
something? एक challenge
no,
था,
no, it made me more
dared you?
mature.
Mm-hmm.
It gave me a purpose.
Mm-hmm.
I suddenly felt that yes, I should do. And my father was so honest. He had tears in his eyes. He said, "You didn't do anything. Now you're going there, do something.
Mm-hmm.
करके दिखाना बेटा." So I came to Pune Institute and I was a very, very sincere and devoted and dedicated student. ये वो फादर की वो एक लाइन और उनकी वो जो आंखों में जो रीच थी, that changed
Expectation.
everything.
He,
तो
he, he still was expecting from you somewhere.
yeah, because somewhere he felt that I can do it. तो कट टू ऐसा हुआ कि 3 महीने की ट्रेनिंग में मेरा एक और बड़ा अच्छा एस्पेक्ट है. वी हैव टाइम ना, आई कैन टॉक
Of
अबाउट दीज
course, it's
नॉस्टैल्जिक
all
थिंग्स.
aram se, balki it's like a story, and I'm really honored that I'm getting to uh, listen to all this, and I'm really
Thank
blessed.
you. Thank you. So, in the first month itself, in 1967, in FII, Pune, हमें मार्सल मार्सियो, वर्ल्ड्स बेस्ट माइम आर्टिस्ट, फ्रेंच, उनकी एक फिल्म दिखाई गई. और मैं उस आर्ट फॉर्म से इतना मुतासिर हुआ कि आई वॉज ऑड कि ओ माई गॉड, ये क्या है, व्हाट इज दिस फॉर्म ऑफ आर्ट. बिकॉज मैं दिल्ली का लड़का, छोटे से हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल में पढ़ा हुआ, माई नॉलेज वॉज नॉट एट ऑल देयर about these things, about creativity, about finding this kind of a world. तो मेरे लिए एक बहुत बड़ी चीज हो गई टू सी माइम फिल्म, और वो भी वर्ल्ड के बेस्ट माइम की. तो आई गॉट सो इंस्पायर्ड. आई वेंट टू माई प्रोफेसर रोशन तनेजा साहब एंड रिक्वेस्टेड कि सर कैन आई सी इट वंस अगेन. तो उन्होंने कहा कि ठीक है, ओके. तो मैं अकेला जाके थिएटर में बैठ के मैंने पूरी फिल्म फिर से देखी. एंड वो एक इंप्रेशन जो माइंड में छप जाता है ना, वो छप गया. सो आई स्टार्टेड प्रैक्टिसिंग एवरी नाइट on the terrace without anybody knowing what am I doing. And in 1 month, I got the grasp of it. आप कुछ भी करते हैं, वो कैसे करने हैं और क्या है, अगर वो समझ में आ जाए तो you know what it is. So I grasped the whole thing. Cut to 3rd month, 3 महीने की वो टर्म होती थी और दूसरी 6 महीने की टर्म. This was the first term. By October, there was Durga Puja celebrations in the institute. तो वहां काफी बंगाली स्टूडेंट्स भी आते हैं. तो मेरा एक दोस्त है अशोक करके, अशोक अग्रवाल, जिसका निक नेम था टोनी. टोनी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड द दुर्गा पूजा शो एंड आई वाज जस्ट पासिंग, आई वाज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. तो सडनली टोनी ने मुझे बुलाया, पेंटल पेंटल. ऐसे क्या हुआ? बोले यार वी आर रनिंग शॉर्ट ऑफ आइटम्स, कैन यू डू समथिंग? So I suddenly thought, I said, yes, I'll do mime. So he said, what? You will do mime? I said, yeah, I'll do mime. He said, all right, get ready. 10 minutes, you're on. I said, fine. So I ran to my classmate, जो बाद में बहुत बड़ी हीरोइन बनी, called Radha Saluja, who's now settled in America. She was my classmate. और पूरे कोर्स में उसकी मेरी दौड़ चलती थी कि पहला फर्स्ट कौन आएगा. तो मैं उसके पास गया, उसका लिपस्टिक, उसका पाउडर और टी शर्ट, व्हाइट टी शर्ट एंड ब्लू जीन हमारी ड्रेस होती थी, वो पहना. एंड आई गॉट रेडी एंड आई केम एंड आई परफॉर्म्ड माइम. सो व्हेन टॉनी अनाउंस्ड कि पेंटल इज गोइंग टू नाउ शो यू माइम, तो द होल हॉल लाफ्ड. कुछ गेस्ट भी आए हुए थे, कुछ लोग भी थे, तो सब हंस पड़े कि पेंटल माइम करेगा. But they didn't know कि day night 1.5 महीने से what I was practicing and what reach I have gained in that particular subject. So I performed एक 12-15 मिनट का मैंने माइम किया और उस माइम के इफेक्ट, उस माइम का रिजल्ट ये निकला कि एवरीबडी वाज शॉक्ड, बहुत तारीफ हुई, और मुझे हफ्ते भर की डिनर मिल गई कि कल मैं डिनर दूंगा, परसों मैं खाना खिलाऊंगा, ये करूंगा, एक जो दोस्तों में होता है. एंड सडनली देयर वाज अ मैन from the audience who met me after the show and said, Mr. Painter, I liked your mime a lot. हमारे पूना क्लब में एक बहुत बड़ा फंक्शन हो रहा है next week, and Mr. Om Prakash, the famous comedian, is coming as a chief guest.
Wow.
So would you perform the same thing there? I said, yeah, I will, but I'll charge 50 rupees. And those days 50 rupees would बहुत होते थे, क्योंकि
आपने डर डर के बोला कि आपने ऐसे ही बोल
नहीं,
दिया?
एक सजेशन दिया, थोड़ी हिचकिचाहट थी, because that was the first time I was charging money for something I was doing. So I said, I'll charge 50 rupees. And उन दिनों 50 rupees की ये वैल्यू थी बेटा कि मेरा लंच एंड डिनर ट्वाइस अ वीक नॉन वेज पूरे महीने का 60 रुपए में आता था. 1 rupee a day with lunch and dinner. 2 rupees a day. तो 60 रुपए में मेरा होता था, तो 50 was a big thing.
You knew
So he
the
said,
value.
yes, done. So I went to the show, I performed, and I very proudly can say that after the show, Om Prakash ji came and met me at the backstage and said कि काके तू ते बहुत वधिया कीता, तू ते मेरा दिल जीत लिया, आज तो तेरा पहला फैन ओम प्रकाश है.
Wow.
So it was so beautiful. I felt I'm on the right way.
The
Now
blessing.
cut to,
Yeah.
yes, he was a great guy. They all were. All my seniors were great. Anyway, cut to, ट्रेनिंग चलती रही. सडनली मेरे फादर का टेलीग्राम आता है कि बेटा, आई हैव लॉस्ट माय जॉब, आई कैन नॉट अफोर्ड, कम बैक. नाउ इमेजिन ऐसे लड़के पे जो सिंसियरली लगा हुआ है एंड रियली वांट्स टू डू एंड इज डूइंग गुड, उसको ये लेटर आ जाए कि बेटा कम बैक, आई कांट अफोर्ड योर थिंग. सो आई वाज डेवास्टेटेड. और वो टेलीग्राम लेके हमारे वहां पर एक विजडम ट्री है इन पूना इंस्टीट्यूट, विच इज जहां राइट फ्रॉम दिलीप साहब टू देव साहब टू बड़े बड़े लोग उस विजडम ट्री के नीचे बैठे हैं. एंड वी फील वेरी पायस बीइंग अराउंड द विजडम ट्री. तो मैं विजडम ट्री के नीचे बैठा हुआ टेलीग्राम पढ़ रहा था, एंड आई वाज थिंकिंग कि माय गॉड, व्हाट इज दिस, व्हाट इज द एंड ऑफ दिस. एंड सडनली अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन कम्स एंड सेज कि पेंटल, वो तेरे नोटिस बोर्ड पे तेरे नाम का कुछ नोटिस लिखा है. सो आई वेंट टू द नोटिस बोर्ड, और वहां पर ऑफिशियल लेटर था दैट बिकॉज कमरजीत पेंटल stood first in the first term in the class, he's allotted a scholarship of 75 rupees per month. And उसके साथ साथ, क्योंकि it was right from the beginning, it was from July, August, September, October, वो सारे महीने मिला के मुझे वो लमसम भी 75 रुपए के हिसाब से मिल गया. एंड प्लस मुझे ये ध्यान आया कि यार 50 रुपए माइम के शो के मिले हैं, आगे भी ऐसे फंक्शनों में आई प्रमोट माई सेल्फ एंड आई डू शोज. सो आई रोट बैक टू माई फादर, आई सेड डैड, आई ट्राई टू मैनेज ऑन माई ओन, प्लीज डोंट वरी, अगर बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम हुई, नहीं मैनेज कर सका तो आई कम बैक. एंड देन आई हैड टू नाउ टेक केयर ऑफ my budgets and everything. So I vowed that till I am in the training, I will not eat non-veg. I'll eat only when I become an actor, because non-veg महंगा आता था. हालांकि आज के लिहाज से वो भी बिल्कुल बहुत सस्ता था, बट उन दिनों it was, और मेरे पास सिवाय वो 75 रुपए और प्लस थोड़ा बहुत, कभी 50, कभी 100, कभी 150 इधर उधर से आ जाना. देयर वाज नो अदर सहारा टू मैनेज, बट आई डिड. एंड द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल थिंग इज कि आई यूज टू लोन मनी टू माई फ्रेंड्स. किसी को 50 रुपए चाहिए कि यार अगले महीने मेरे घर से आएंगे दे, तो आई बिकेम काइंड ऑफ अ
The lender.
खजांची ऑल्सो.
The lender.
Yeah, the lender, because I used to be very careful in where, how, when I'm spending my money. So I managed with two jeans. 12 रुपए की जीन आती थी, 5 रुपए की टी शर्ट आती थी. I managed with all those 2-3 pair of things. एक दिन पहना, रात को खुद धोया, सुबह सुखाया. So I had a beautiful learning experience of life plus my art.
You had your passion and you were getting paid for it as well. That is what they say.
Yes,
And what better?
yes. Go.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are actually in the middle of a beautiful, sensitive conversation here with the man, the legend himself, Painter Ji, the king of comedy. And of course, nobody can replace him. He's telling us about his journey. And we will be back right after a minute's short commercial break. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are. Design Television in Toronto is in conversation with Paintal, the legend of comedy. Paintal Saab, we were having a nice, wonderful, sensitive conversation of your journey, how you made it to Film Institute and how you got that little stipend and earned that money for yourself. How did regional movies, let me, before I begin, he has been a part of Bengali, Punjabi, and Bhojpuri cinema as well. How did you get deviated from the mainstream and actually landed in yourself in regional cinema? How did that happen?
Mickey, I never landed up in the regional cinema. Never. I was interested in doing work. I was interested in exploring. So I never left the main main stream of the film in Hindi film industry. क्या होता था, यार दोस्त जब कोई पिक्चर बनाते थे, यार मैं पंजाबी फिल्म बना रहा हूँ, काम करेगा? Like there was a friend of mine, his nickname was Coca-Cola. He was famous as an actor. And he used to organize a lot of shows all over the world. So he planned to make a Punjabi film with Vinod Mehra. And Coca-Cola, Vinod Mehra, myself, Sachin, we were a clique, we were a group. So I said, yes, definitely. So he made a Punjabi film called Maujan Dubai Diyan. So I did that. So like this, wherever I was offered, like Sujit Kumarji made a film in Bengali and Assamese. So he said, "Karega." I said, "क्यों नहीं करेंगे यार? Let's enjoy it." तो अब वो डायलॉग इतने याद हो जाते थे, जवानी थी, याद भी हो जाते थे, और जहां नहीं याद होते थे तो आई यूज्ड टू राइट ऑन द बोर्ड एंड रीड देम ड्यूरिंग द शॉट, जो नेचुरली एज अ प्रोफेशनल ऑडियंस को नहीं पता लगता था. So like this, I never left the mainstream. I did all these films. I did few films in the South also. Like I'm doing a Hindi film for a South producer. He says, "Sir, I'm making another film in Tamil. Will you do it?" I said, "Why not? Let's try it." So we did that. Then there was a friend who was a Sindhi. That was Rajan Sippy. He made a film, and उसमें एक सिंधी फिल्म उसकी थी. उसमें मैंने सिंधी का गाना किया था और उसका नाम था हलता भजी हल्लू. So all these things came in my way, and for experience, for exploring myself, वो एक कुएं का मेंढक न बन के, I kept on doing everything. I kept on doing stage also. I kept on doing mime shows also. I had a fantastic mime show in Prithvi Theatre, one-man show. And I remember Shashi Uncle and Jennifer Ji, they were the audience, and it was for the charity of Prithvi Theatre. And by the end of the show, they all stood up and clapped for my mime show. And I collected in those days 1400 rupees, which of course I donated to Prithvi Theatre back. So I have been doing anything, everything. I directed also ad films. I did television series. By the way, do you know that the first ever Indian television serial was with me in 1975? Those days there were no video cameras, nothing except in the studios, and huge studio cameras were there. But we did like short films. 13 episodes were made, short films, 25 minute ki short film, directed by Mr. Atmaram, brother of Shri Guru Dutt Ji, and written by Mr. Ram Govind, a very eminent writer. And I was the main actor. Laddu Singh Taxiwala is the name of that serial, which was the first ever and most liked. And it was relayed in all the city centers, because those days India had only 7 relay centers all over, like Bombay, Delhi, Calcutta, Madras, Srinagar, Jalandhar. Like this, there were 7 centers. And वो 13 डिब्बे 13 एपिसोड के हर स्टेशन पे जाते थे, वहां रिले होते थे. Then they used to go to the next city, वहां रिले होते थे. So I have been very adventurous. I've done shows all over the world. I have organized variety film entertainment shows. I've done so many times in Toronto also, Vancouver, America, Europe, Australia. So I have been in it, whole heart, soul, everything. And at the same time, I became a teacher in 1976, acting teacher. And when Roshan Taneja ji called me to take mime classes, you'll be surprised, and I feel proud that today these boys have done a great job. मेरे स्टूडेंट्स में से वो पहले बैच का जो रोशन तनेजा साहब ने मुझे दिया था फॉर माइम was Anil Kapoor, Gulshan Grover, Mazhar Khan, Surinder Pal, Madan Jain. All these names were my first batch students.
Wow.
So I was there, I did everything, and I had a wonderful journey as an actor. These 52 years of being an active actor have really, I'm very grateful to Almighty. Very, very grateful.
Exactly. On that note, guys, let's take a look at a bit of his clip. It's like from Design Television's side, a little tribute. Of course, it's a wide sea out there of your talent, but whatever I could pick from the internet, let's watch it.
एक बात बताओ जी, डिस्पेंसरी 10 बजे शुरू होती है और तुम सुबह 9 बजे से लेकर 10 बजे तक सफाई करने की बजाय मक्खियां क्यों मारते हो?
सर ये मेरा पार्ट टाइम बिजनेस है।
बिजनेस जी।
वेटर दरवाजा खुला है, अंदर आ जाओ।
बेटर जल्दी आओ, दरवाजा खुला जी।
वेटर नाश्ते का ऑर्डर लो। अब आगे बढ़े।
ठहरो 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 ठहरो, अरे तू भी चुप हो जा। खामुखा बीच में बजाता रहता है।
40,000 रुपए।
हाँ, तुम्हारे पास कोई लिखत है?
इसका मतलब तू पैसा नहीं देगा?
मेरे सिग्नेचर है कि मैंने पैसे लिए, कब लिए, क्यों लिए? हाँ, कोई प्रूफ है?
कुछ नए बोल सिखाएंगे। षोडश कला विराजत छवि छाजत पूर्ण चंद शरद रैन उजियारी अति प्यारी।
गुरुजी आपने डांस किससे सीखा?
ना 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 बालिके, नृत्य को डांस नहीं कहते, इससे हमारी सभ्यता।
इतना नहीं,
इतनी नहीं हुआ नाड़ी, किस खेल की मैं हूँ खिलाड़ी। सुर को संभाल, जरा ताल को संभाल, दोनों को संभाल वरना होगा बुरा।
बाबा इडियट ही कहना, आप डांस की प्रैक्टिस तो कर लो।
नहीं करूंगी।
देखो ये मजाक का वक्त नहीं है, आज हमारे क्लब की सिल्वर जुबली है और कॉलोनी वाले सब मजाक उड़ाएंगे।
जा प्यारे आ जाओ नाचे हम झूम के यहाँ।
कुछ करो रवि, देखो वो हवा के ठंडे झोंके की तरह आई और तूफान की तरह तुम्हें ठेंगा दिखा के चली गई। प्लीज।
घबराओ नहीं, मैं उसे समझा बुझा कर वापस बुला लाऊंगा। हवा के ठंडे झोंके।
क्यों एक दूसरे की जान के पीछे पड़े हो? हाँ, अरे अगर आपस में लड़ मरना है तो कालों से क्यों डर कर भाग रहे हो? हाँ, क्यों भाग रहे हो? देखो देखो, अगर लड़ना ही है ना तो एक दूसरे को नीचा गिराने के लिए नहीं लड़ो। कालों को
लोग तुम्हें वक्त पर काम करने के लिए कहते हैं तो तुम भी उन्हें भी वक्त का पाबंद बनाओ।
उस हैवान को खत्म करने के लिए मैं जिंदगी और मौत का एक खेल खेलने जा रहा हूँ। 30 मिनट्स।
I can go on, and it's so. I still cannot believe I have you in front of me. And Satya Pasata was my favorite because you looked so cute in it, and it was such a. It was like you were an easy character there. But looking at this, what struck me right now was you have been having your expertise in classical dancing in Kathak. Tell us about it. And not many people know that you have been a classical dancer, and you still are. I could see you nodding your head behind the scene when there was this little clippet of Bawarchi going on. So tell us about Kathak. What made you go towards classical dancing in those days?
See, what I basically, Mickey, always felt that an actor has to be complete, at least from his own side. He has to achieve all that is important for him to do. So, fortunately, when I came to Pune for the training, it was part of our course. So, for 2 years, हमारी टीचर थी मिसेस मंदा मालविया, उन्होंने हमें कथक सिखाया. एंड होता क्या था कि some students took it as a classroom work. I took it, fortunately, I had the capabilities and capacity also, the grace also of a dancer. So I took it seriously and kept on doing it. Then when I got my first film called Umang, under the banner of Guru Dutt Films, directed by Mr. Atmaram, जिसका क्लिप अभी आपने दिखाया भी है, उसमें it was a story of a society where these youngsters have made a club. So they needed dancers. So when I became a part of that, we were taken to Kolaba for regular dance classes. There was a school called Mr. Sam Aaron School of Dancing. तो वहां पर मैंने स्कॉटिश डांस सीखा, पॉलिश सीखा, Scottish, Polish, Charleston, little bit of ballet, Spanish, all these things I learned. But because for me, learning was making my treasure more heavy and big, I used to be more sincere and practice it. So Kathak became a life of me in those 2 years when I was at Pune Institute, and thanks to Mandaji and my training, that Taneja Saab really made me aware of the word called actor. And I was so sincere that in 2005, 27 years acting course in Pune was closed down. After 27 years, when it restarted, from 2005 to 2013, I was the course director, head of the department. and I handled and sat on my guru's gaddi. So this has been the journey of my teaching also. From 76 to today also I teach, I take classes, and I feel satisfied that जो हुआ बहुत अच्छा हुआ. झोली जितनी थी उससे कहीं ज्यादा दिया भगवान ने.
Absolutely. Like, I have no words right now because when we started this interview, Paintalji, you started it as a student, your journey as a student, and how your father supported you and had hopes in his eyes, whether he could afford it or not, and he still did send you to something which was more of a luxury, like Film Institute Pune. And I'm just imagining how much as a child you had gone through in those days when you were right beginning your career there. You were just there when he asked you to come back. And then God has his own ways, they say. If it is meant to be, it cannot be taken away from you. And of course, your hard work and वो कहते हैं ना लगन जो होती है शिद्दत से आप चाहोगे तो मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. You manifested your whole being in this art, and after that there was no looking back. And the most beautiful part, yes, please go ahead.
एक शेर याद आ गया.
इरशाद.
ये जो आपने कहा ना कि ये जो लगन, ये शिद्दत, ये दीवानापन, उसके ऊपर एक छोटा सा शेर याद आ गया जो मैं अपने लिए कहना चाहूंगा.
बोले.
जिंदगी की ये देन है जिसे मिली मिली. जिंदगी की ये देन है जिसे मिली मिली. होश तुम्हें मिले, दीवानगी मुझे मिली.
बहुत खूब, बहुत खूब. मुकर्रर एक बार और बोलें प्लीज.
जिंदगी की ये देन है जिसे मिली मिली. होश तुम्हें मिले, दीवानगी मुझे मिली.
बहुत खूब, बहुत खूब, बहुत खूब.
So ये दीवानगी ही है. Anybody who wants to be successful, satisfied in life, in any profession, आपको पागल होना पड़ेगा, आपको दीवाना होना पड़ेगा, आपको डिवोटेड होना पड़ेगा. There is no other way.
वो जुनून चाहिए, वो जुनून
चाहिए ही चाहिए.
चाहिए. Yes, and if it is your passion and you're getting paid for it, what's wrong? And you have been paid for your passion. It was not your work. You worked as your work was your passion, and you loved, and there was no looking back.
Yeah, you have used the right word, passion, because लोग कहते हैं कि जब आपकी hobby becomes your profession. I feel no, when your passion becomes your profession.
And you're getting paid for it. What's wrong?
That is an extra thing.
That is
hard work तो hard work तो हमेशा paid होता ही है बेटा. Hard work never goes
आपका
waste.
पैशन है, आप एक जुनून के साथ कर रहे हो और एक चैलेंज के साथ कर रहे हो. आप खुद के लिए कर रहे हो, आप दूसरे को प्रूव नहीं कर रहे, आप खुद को प्रूव कर रहे हो. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been my most exclusive interview with the man himself, living legend of Indian cinema, theater, movies, art, direction, Paintal Saab. And Paintal Saab, on behalf of all the Canadians here, we thank you very much for being here with us on such a short notice. And please take good care of yourself. I know your 30 minutes is coming on 1st of May, the premiere. जाते जाते आप थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में प्लीज हमें बता दें.
You're misinformed, beta. 30 minutes has already been released long time back.
It has been. So it came on Netflix or something like that, or what happened there?
Maybe on an OTT channel it's going to release again. But the commercial release was done more than a year and a half to 2 years back.
Because they say now that it is coming on other boxes as well here, and probably that is why we don't know much about what is happening there back home in India. But on other note, before we end this interview, a beautiful interview rather, do you have any other horizons to explore when it comes to Netflix and Amazon or anything like that?
Yes.
Are you open to all the options, or are you working on any projects?
I am not open only. I'm working also. I'm working on 2-3 feature films. under my banner, produced and maybe directed by me, and plus for OTT channels like Netflix and Z5 and all these channels, I'm into very soon regularly going to be producing web series.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yes, I'm into it. I'm with the time, running with the time. I'm not stopped by the changes of time. I'm there with it, and I'm sure I'll be able to do justice to my work.
The pandemic is helping you grow, and it's like, bring it on, I'll do it. That
Yeah,
is
it's
what
just a matter of attitude. बेटा वो कहते हैं ना कि ग्लास आधा खाली है या आधा भरा हुआ है. It's just
perspective है,
matter of
नजरिया.
your attitude. I enjoyed the pandemic break. We did a lot of thinking, a lot of hard working, and few projects also I did during that time. So a creative man, even if he's superficially not doing anything, he's always busy in doing something, which only he and his heart knows. ऐसे नहीं बैठा रहता. जो क्रिएटिव है, जो वो दीवाना है, जो लगन वाला है, वो बैठा नहीं रहता.
बिल्कुल. Thank you so much, Pental Saab, and we wish you all the very best on behalf of Canadians and across the globe in your future endeavors. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, and God bless you all. So
Thank you.
nice to be on air with you, Mickey. God bless you, beta.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.